How to transfer money from PayPal to Western Union. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will go about this short tutorial. Now, basically, you want to head over to the PayPal website or the PayPal application that you have installed to your device, and right after you can just go ahead and deposit the money to your bank account. Now unfortunately, there's no direct way on how you can go ahead and transfer money from PayPal to Western Union, but there's a work around it. Now, right after depositing your money to your bank account, you can just head over to the Western Union application right here. Once inside, it will then go ahead and look something like this. Basically, from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on your bank account. How will you receive the money? You want to go ahead and click on bank account, and from there you want to type your bank details, and right after you will be able to transfer your money from your bank to the Western Union. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.